Hey traders, Lance Polito here, and I bought DIDI shares today, ticker symbol DIDI. Now this morning, the stock came out with negative news that China was taking DIDI off the App Store. And we've seen multiple reports now from the Chinese government with DIDI since they launched the IPO here in the States. And what's funny is, you had a couple talking heads on the media saying buy as many DIDI shares as you can, Jim Kramer, on the IPO, and the stock has fallen from the high of 18 to about 12, under $12, $10.90 this morning in DIDI shares. So pretty incredible. So I actually bought shares today, and I want to tell you why. Everybody who bought during the IPO, let's say 15, 16, 17 a share, 18 a share, they can't take the pain anymore. So this morning, they probably woke up, saw the negative news, and either sold because they were down so much money, or their broker, unfortunately, made them sell. So I used that opportunity and said, if there's so much negative sentiment and nobody wants to buy this stock now, and everyone's selling it because, again, the news, I'll be a buyer. And for around $12 a share, I grabbed some stock, and let's say no more bad news happens in the stock, which is a maybe. It is high risk trade, and I want to disclose that. But let's say it starts to fill the gap from about $12 a share to, let's say, 15 a share, maybe 16 a share, maybe 17 a share. Then those same financial media talking heads will say, DIDI's a good buy. And now it's safe to buy. By that time, I'll already be in from 12 a share. So you get my logic. I want to get in early before the crowd. And now that the crowd is gone, because again, all the negative news, I'm a contrarian, I'm a buyer. And when everyone wants to buy it again, hopefully 17, 18 a share, I will be a seller and I'll be cashing out on my DIDI stock. So just wanted to give you an update. Markets have been very choppy, low volume with the 4th of July long weekend. And happy trading. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the bell for notifications. And if DIDI shares fall or go up, we have this video. Hopefully they'll be up $20 within a month or two. But we have this video for proof that, hey, being a contrarian can work in trading. And that's the way I like to trade.